going, guys? My name is Alan Reyes. I'm co-founder of Xtrusion Overland, and yeah, I'm excited to show the new XO.SKELETON. This is our newest product, a 3-in-1 system. You'll have the ability to run it as a bed rack, start as a bed rack. If your needs evolve, you can enclose it as a topper. And then, of course, eventually you want to take it to the next level, you can get our own design integrated tent to use it as a camper. So you have access from the inside and do the whole, professional overlander. So this is a new system that we were very focused on aesthetics. We wanted something that was functional, but it also looks, cutting edge per se. But we do use our extrusion, so obviously that's the signature from our products. So we have a T-slot extrusion all around. It is the structural component of the build, but we integrated the panels to enclose completely. We have the system for the hinges and everything to everything has a purpose. We have the way to run cabling systems inside. It has water runoff systems to go through that. We can start with something that is light. Something like this is on the lighter side, very basic. If you want to run a basic configuration, you can. But the thing about this is we put the power onto you guys to customize it. Just like we do with our XTR bed racks, this you can customize it as well and keep adding some of the accessories and some of the panels. You can have cargo on the panels because we're using the extrusion itself, as the load-bearing components. We have molly plates from the inside. We'll walk around a little bit and show a little bit more about the different accessories that we'll be able to do. But yeah, in essence, we're mounting directly to the T-slot extrusions. There's no need for bracing. So, some of the other companies in the market might have to do some bracing. And in our case, this is our structural component, and we have no need for that. So we'll have ways to lock this from the inside, but we're using a very different system from all the other campers are out there. We like to be a little bit different. So, it's a push button. They just pull up, right? So same thing for closing it. You just push into that and we're done. We'll have different end caps in here. This is just one of the raw billet machine pieces that we have. But, we'll have different solutions for you guys to customize it, to personalize it, make it yours. Same thing for the all around, all the top versions. So yeah, very unique, very different system. The tent, we'll have the prototype soon as well on that. We are still going through some IP stuff, but it's going to be awesome. I can tell you that much. So for the rear, we're actually going to have a central locking system as well. This is just something that we did for the prototype, but we'll have a central way of locking it. So you can also unlock it from the inside and whatnot. But this shows you. Let me open up so we can start getting a little bit more light inside. So that's how we operate all around with the panels. Lightweight, all aluminum build. Black powder coated, texture powder coated, so it has that unique extrusion look. So here we have an accessory molly panel that is attached, and it has dual purpose. You want to start getting it a little more heavy duty. You can add these accessories and get a lot more cargo, get a lot more customization. We will have accessories like some of the trays that you put in here to get kitchen gear or battery systems. And again, the customization is going to be just out of this world. Same thing for the molly panels against the cab side. We'll have a lot of different options. You'll be able to remove every panel very, very simply. Just a couple of bolts on the hinges, and you'll take the panels off. Same thing if you want to run it as a topper again. And the cool thing about it again is you can start as a bed rack, which will have all the components to run it as a bed rack with molly panels, and then you can evolve and buy the full enclosure, and then buy the tent as well. So you're not stuck with one system. You can have the versatility to go back and forth between the different configurations, and I think that's what makes us really unique, aside from the looks. and the cabling systems and all that stuff. It's give you back the freedom and the capabilities of running what you want, when you want it. Go back and forth between different setups. So yeah, we're very excited to finally be able to show you this new system. It's been under development for quite a while, but we wanted to make sure that it was the last, not the last bed rack, but the last just cargo solution. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll hope that this will be something that meets your needs.